Stop. Are you tired of completely freezing up during a presentation while senior executives stare at you waiting for an answer?
The numbers? Right. The stats show. Well, it's like, you know.
Look at you, Zach. Your brain has disconnected from the server. Saying, and, signals to the board that you are completely out of your depth.
Red Beef is right, Zach. Making panic noises keeps you stuck in the amateur panic trap. Top leaders never freeze when they don't know an answer. They instantly activate strategic delay.
Strategic delay? Is that a professional way of saying my brain just snoozed?
Exactly. In the next 2 minutes, we're giving you 3 ultra-simple power scripts to handle sudden questions, buy thinking time, and protect your confidence.
Scenario 1. When your bosses ask, what was the Q3 revenue, month by month?
I, can't recall the exact numbers. I think, maybe it was big? Sorry, I am just really nervous today.
Yikes. You didn't just lose the data, Zach. You handed your reputation to the firing squad. Never apologize for being nervous in front of the VP.
Apologizing immediately makes you look weak. Instead of showing your panic, shift the focus onto being accurate. Simplify the sentence like this. That is an important question. Let me verify the exact numbers right after this meeting to make sure you have the correct data.
Perfect. You didn't forget the data. You validated the numbers. The pivot just traded an entry-level stutter for total confidence.
Scenario 2. Zach is asked to explain his plan to beat the competitor's new product.
Wait, the competitor? I think I forgot to read that part in the report. I guess it's a big problem? Sorry, I didn't study it.
Total system crash. You just told the entire executive team that you were asleep at the wheel. No promotion for you.
Admitting defeat destroys your credibility. Move the focus of the question to a topic you actually know. Watch how simple this is. That is a complex topic. If we look at our competitors through the lens of our current customer feedback, our product actually gives us a massive advantage, because...
Beautiful redirection. You didn't admit defeat. You moved the conversation back to your home turf. Absolute genius.
Scenario 3. My VP asked, why did your team fail to hit the target last week?
Ooh, direct. That's a tough punch. Make your move, Zach.
Look, I don't know why the pipeline failed. Please stop looking at me like that. It wasn't my fault.
And there it is. Total defensive explosion. You're not managing a team, Zach. You're just screaming because you're scared.
Getting defensive creates boardroom friction. When the answer requires deep thought, give yourself permission to stop talking without looking clueless. Use our exact pacing script.
Okay, how's this? That requires a closer look. Give me a brief moment to process everything so I can give you the most accurate explanation.
Flawless execution. You didn't have a brain freeze. You just initiated a premium executive pause while everyone else waited for you to speak. Daily corporate audit complete. Results. 3 freeze moments nuked. 3 strategic delay pivots mastered.
Remember this. The amateur panic trap words only prove to your boss that you are losing control of yourself. But strategic delay phrases prove to leadership that you are completely in control of the room. Silence isn't your enemy, Zach. It is your ultimate boardroom weapon.
And be mindful, Zach. These scripts are just your starting points to show control. In the end, you actually have to know your data thoroughly. If I buy you 10 seconds to think, and your brain is still a blank void, no magic vocabulary template is going to save you from looking completely clueless.
Right. Noted. Back to studying then. Now, you all keep practicing these pivots and we'll see you again soon.